Hi guys, welcome back to the Regen channel. My name's Jimmy, I'm one of the property surveyors here at Regen. I'm going to show you a little bit about what we do. This is the 16 kilowatt monoblock Samsung unit, fantastic for smaller properties like this one. I'm going to run through how it works, what changes, and what we do to install it. So down here we've got the primaries from the unit to the internal cylinder. Your flow and return. You've also got your electrics, which we'll show you the run for that in a second. Mr. Pipe Hands. So here we have the brains of the operation, the Samsung control unit. Here I'm holding the cover, so it's not so ugly for the finished product. The pipework will be insulated, and it will look a lot prettier and tidier than this when it's finished. Each of our units are fitted with their own consumer unit, just like this one. It's usually placed somewhere around the fuse box or incoming supply. It's basically surge protection for the unit. It has its own breakers in here, and it just keeps it away, keeps your spares on your actual fuse board itself. So the electrics specifically for this use system are hidden away. They do go up and through the hole in the garage here. We run across, hidden away, into the boxing, all the way across the boxing, and then all the way out to the unit here. Due to the heat pump having a slightly lower flow rate than your boiler system, there tends to be quite a few radiator upgrades throughout the house. This obviously isn't a bad thing. If you're having a new system, why not have new radiators to go alongside it? They all come with new TRV, so you do have full control over each specific radiator. This system in particular is a microbore system. So a common misconception of the microbore system is that you don't get enough flow from the units to the radiator. However, this is false. With the pumps that we use and the radiators that we install, you get plenty of heat out of them, same as you would with 15 mil pipework. So guys, that wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in more or want to have a survey for your property yourself, give us a call. Details will be in the description. See you on the next one.